spreadsheet. So first we are starting with setting up multiple sheets by inserting new sheets. So you can see I have my workbook in Calc ready, okay, and the name of this workbook is Electronic Spreadsheet Session 234. And in this we are first going to see how to insert new spreadsheet, new worksheet in it. Now first thing I need to tell you is, students, your one file which you create in any spreadsheet application, whether it is LibreOffice Calc, OpenOffice Calc, or Excel, that is known as a workbook. This is a file, okay, file saved in spreadsheet. In a spreadsheet application, when you create a file, that is known as a workbook, and it is a collection of worksheets which you can see below. One worksheet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 7 worksheets are there in this workbook, right? And what is a worksheet? It is a collection of columns. So rows, these are the horizontal bar strips are rows and the vertical strips are the columns. And where a column and a row intersects, that is known as a cell. So a collection of cells you can say, or a collection of rows and columns. That is one worksheet, right? There should be at least one worksheet in your workbook. One worksheet is mandatory, okay? You can, and normally in LibreOffice Calc and OpenOffice Calc, the maximum number or the default number of worksheets, that is 3. Usually it is 3. In case of Excel, in the previous versions of Excel, that is till 2010 version, the maximum worksheets were 3, okay? But now when we moved on to Excel 2013, 2016, 2019 and Office 365, there only one worksheet is the default one, is the default sheet, default setting in Excel. Okay. So in the previous versions of Excel, it also supported 3 default worksheets, but now you will find in all the latest versions, one worksheet is only there when you insert a new worksheet. So you can change this total number of worksheets. You can change the default number. Okay. So how can you do? Let's see. So in LibreOffice Calc, you need to go to the Tools menu. Okay. And within the Tools menu, you need to go to this option, that is Options. A moment, I need to highlight that point here. You can, all of you can see the Tools menu, and within the Tools menu, the last option, that is Options, you need to go to that, and here we are going to go to LibreOffice Calc and Defaults. You can see over here this option. Let me just show it to you. First we go to the Tools menu, you scroll down, you go to the Options, okay, and within Options you will find a lot many things, LibreOffice, Load, Save, right? So you need to go to which option? LibreOffice Calc. Click on the plus sign to expand this, click on Defaults, okay, and here in New Spreadsheet you can fix the number of worksheets in a document, and you can also fix its name. Like for example, you don't want sheet, like usually it appears as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. For example, you want to name it as worksheet, so you can name it as worksheet also. And number of worksheets in a document, I have set it as 1. You can set this as 2, 3, 4 and whichever number you want. and you have to click on apply and click on OK. Now we are going to open a new worksheet. So we go to file, or you can click on this standard toolbar icon for new. And now you can see over here the changes. There are a total of 4 worksheets, and each of them is taking the name which I had provided. Worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3, worksheet 4. Like this. Understood this? So this is how you can change the default number of worksheets in your document. Let's see